In this video, I'll guide you through how to hide nighttime hours in Google Calendar. If you find your calendar cluttered with hours you never actually use, especially late at night or very early in the morning, this quick tutorial will show you how to clean up that view so you can focus on the times that matter most to you. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that you actually use for your schedule. If you use multiple Google accounts, double check the profile picture or initial in the top right corner to confirm you're in the right one before you continue. Once the page loads, you should see your familiar calendar layout with days, weeks, or months, depending on your last view. For this setting, it's usually easiest to work in the day or week view because that's where the individual hours are most visible. If you need to switch, look near the top right of the calendar for the options that say day, week, month, and so on, and choose the one you prefer. Now take a look at the left side of your screen. This sidebar is where Google Calendar organizes your different calendars and settings. You'll see a section labeled My Calendars. If you don't see it right away, it may be collapsed. In that case, click the small arrow or caret next to it to expand the list. This section usually includes your main calendar plus any additional calendars you've created, like work, personal, or shared calendars. Within this My Calendars list, you may see different options that control how your calendar looks and what shows up. Among these options, there will be one called Nighttime. This is a special view setting that shades or highlights the night hours on your calendar, making them stand out from your usual daytime schedule. For many people, those hours are not used for events or meetings, so the visual emphasis can feel distracting or unnecessary. To hide nighttime hours, all you need to do is uncheck the option labeled Nighttime. Look for the small checkbox next to it on the left. If it's currently checked, that means the nighttime shading or highlighting is enabled. Click once on that checkbox to remove the check mark. As soon as you do this, your calendar view will update. You should notice that the darker or shaded blocks that mark the night hours are now gone, leaving you with a cleaner, more uniform timeline of your day. This doesn't remove any events you have scheduled at night, it only changes how those hours are visually presented. Any late night events will still appear, but the background won't be specially highlighted as nighttime. If at some point you miss that visual indication of night hours, you can always bring it back. Just return to the My Calendars section on the left, find the nighttime option again, and check the box. The night shading will immediately reappear on your calendar. That's all there is to it. By going to calendar.google.com, locating the My Calendars section on the left, and unchecking the nighttime option, you can quickly hide nighttime hours and keep your Google Calendar view focused on the part of the day you actually use.